everybody, and welcome back to another one of my videos. We're down at the allotment again. I came down to try and do a few bits and pieces, but every time I try to do something I'm just getting short of breath. So I'm just taking my time. So what I've done so far, I've brought round one of these big containers. I used this last year for my sweet potatoes, but now I've got the other raised beds in there. So one of my subscribers gave me another fig tree. I've got another one over the back there what's doing quite well, and they gave me this one. So I was thinking where to put it, and I was thinking the only place I can really put it is on the corner of this raised bed. So I've put this tub here. I've filled it with some of the wood chips, which is what I've done to the other one, and I'm going to put this, I've got a cloth bag what I've put the fig in, and I'm going to put it inside here and then fill this up with some more wood chips. As the wood chips go down, I'll just top it up because it'll rotten down and turn into a rich compost anyway. So that's what I'm going to be doing. So I'm going to do this, and then I put a couple more buckets of the wood chip on top, and then I'll be back with you in a minute. Right everybody, what I came to do, my body's telling me no. I wanted to weed out these beds and dig them over, put some manure on them, but my shortness of breath is just getting a bit too much now. I know my body took a pounding when I was in hospital, and you know, it's still trying to tell me that it's not fully recovered yet. I wanted to weed out all these beds and everything before the weeds get too much, so I'm going to have to leave it till Friday. I'm going to have to try and come down early before it gets too hot. When it's too hot you can't really do nothing apart from water. I've watered in my polytunnel behind, let my cameraman show you. And what I'm going to do when I go in, all those who are sent sweet potatoes to, I'm going to write them and see how they're getting on with their sweet potatoes. If their sweet potatoes are doing as well as mine. I know mine is in the polytunnel, but even the ones outside are doing pretty well as well. So I like to keep in touch with my subscribers and some of them who buy their sweet potato slips from me know that I only sell ones what I know is going to grow. I brought some online and I weren't too happy with them, but I've managed to still get a few out of them. I won't be making that mistake again. You know, you just buy some things for convenience sake, and I know that I can grow them, do my slips come out better, more healthier, because it's the care what goes into doing things. So Friday, I've even still got those potato buckets to empty out. I haven't even got round to those, and those really need emptying out. I might still end up doing a couple. But my shirt is soaked, I'm soaked. When you go in that polytunnel, it's at 47. I planted these tomatoes a few weeks ago, so they're just coming on now. And the corn you can see is thickening out and coming up. So I'm going to carry on watering, and I'll be back with you in a minute. Right everybody, so I've got a few potato buckets. I'm going to try and do a couple because they're need doing. I think this is a pink fir. I've done some of these on Sunday. I didn't like them too much. I think they're for, well, I done them in the oven. I noticed this year we've got a lot of these wood louse around. If it's not one thing, it's the, or what do they call them, pill bugs, I think they call them. If it's not one thing, it's the other. Well, it's better than seeing ants. Since I've been using the ericaceous earth, I haven't really seen that much ants around. So I'm gonna get these potatoes harvested, and then I'll be back with you in a minute. Right everybody, so managed to get my potatoes harvested. So that's what I got from all those buckets. What, 1, 2, 4, 6, 8 buckets, and that's the potatoes from 8 buckets. And while I was round there getting the thing, managed to get some more blackberries, about a kilo. Makes nice juice if you wash them with salt, then and a little bit of vinegar to get all the stuff off. Then you put them in a pot with some water and liquidize the ginger amount what you want, put it in there with it, then let it boil down, put it through a strainer, put your lemon juice in. You can put your lemon juice in as well as when you're boiling it as well, or you can put it in after, and then just, if it's not sweet enough, just sweeten it with either honey or sugar. So that makes a nice juice. It keeps for about a week and a half in the fridge. So that's what I'm going to do with this. I've got some at home already, but I was saying there's no use me coming and just letting things go to waste. I might as well pick it and use it. So if you're liking our videos, please remember to like, share, subscribe, tell a friend to tell another friend. If you want to leave a comment, you can leave a comment in the comment section. We will get back to you on them. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all on the next one. You take care until then.